हेलो एवरीवन। कैसे हैं आप लोग? होप यू ऑल आर डूइंग फैंटास्टिक। So today I'm going to live on the skin issues. Before that, my name is Sunanda and I'm a nutrition consultant from last 7 years in Bangalore. So first, my today's topic is oily skin problems, because so many people have oily skin and they are facing so many problems. So I want to tell you that oily skin is not a problem. If you don't take care, then it is problem. So start taking care about your oily skin. First, I want to tell you what is oily skin. What is oily skin? When your sebaceous gland start producing more sebum. What is sebum? Sebum is only oil and waxy substance that protect and hydrate our skin. So sebum is not bad. Sebum is very important to keep our skin healthy. So when this sebaceous gland start producing more sebums, then our skin become more oily. And when become more oily, then it leads the acne, pimples, and so many things. So what is the basic things, basic problems of oily skin? The greasy and shiny appearance all the time. Most of the people, we don't want कि हमारा skin हमेशा glow, shiny effects दे. And then second problem is, of course, acne, blackheads, whiteheads, and open pores. So many problems. And what is the reason of oily skin? The reason, Sure, Anjana, I will help you. Your upper eyelids. Okay, sure, I will help you definitely. Please come back to me. So, definitely I will help you, Anjana. So, I have to check first how it is, then definitely I will help you. So, I was telling कि oily skin का reason क्या है? That is, first reason is genetic. This is genetic problem. So we can't do that, anything for that. But sometimes hormonal imbalance and high stress level that increase the production of sebums, and because of that this happens. So we can see that basically acne doesn't kill us, but kills our confidence, our self-esteem, and can be cause of our depression and anxiety. So many people are facing this issue, and this is very depressing. Even my skin also oily, but I take care of my skin, and then acne is no more. I also face so many times acne problems, but now it's all clear, and I'm helping people to get rid of this problem. So acne, basically there is two type of: inflammatory and non-inflammatory. एंड बेसिकली हमें सुनने को मिलता है जो बेसिक नेम है वो एक्ने, पिंपल्स की जो डिफरेंट नेम है, दैट इज ब्लैक हेड्स, वाइट हेड्स, पॉप्यूल्स, पास्ट्यूल्स, नोड्यूल्स, सिस्ट. ये सब नॉर्मल है, सब एक डिफरेंट नेम है. एक्ने, पिंपल्स, ऑल आर सेम बट डिफरेंट नेम. सो ये होता क्या है? आई विल टेल यू कि हाउ दिस इज हैपन्स, कैसे इसका प्रोसेस क्या है, क्यों पिंपल्स कैसे होता है. तो फर्स्ट वी हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड द स्किन स्ट्रक्चर. इफ आई टोल्ड यू अबाउट स्किन स्ट्रक्चर, इन आवर स्किन देयर इज 3 layers. The first is epidermis, second is dermis, and third is subcutaneous tissues. The first layer is that produce healthy skin cells, and in second layer we have hair follicles, we have sweat glands, we have sebaceous glands, and in last third layers we have connective tissues and fat cells. As I told you, in second layer we have a sebaceous gland, we have a hair follicles. If you see on your face, there is very small hairs on your face. That is hair follicles and small pores. And sebaceous glands who has oily skin that produce more oil that time. And few cells generated, new cells generated there near sebaceous gland. And after some times it goes up on the upper layer of the skin. And because we don't have habitual about the cleaning face, scrubbing, and because of that, that accumulate on the first layer of the skin, and that is dead skin. And when we go out and even when we are at home, the bacteria and small dirt that also start accumulating, and that get into our second layers. And sebum act as a food for this dirts and bacteria. And what happens then? Then inflammations, pain, swelling, all happens, and that burst on our face as a pimples, acne. In mild situation there is a blackheads, whiteheads, but when it goes down, then is papules, pustules, nodules, and in severe, that is cyst. So this is the process how this acne happens. And there are in market so many treatment available, but that is not permanent. People are started using, but after some time they are started getting same problems. So the problem is oily skin only. So you have to take care about the oily skin, then you can get rid of acne also. If you have a oily skin, तो आपको बहुत ज़्यादा केयर करना पड़ेगा. Instead of जिनका dry skin है, they don't need much care, but of course they also need. But जिनका oily skin है, that the first thing I am going to tell you, what is the external solution for that oily skin and for that acne. The first is remove dirt from your first layer, from your surface of the skin. How? Cleanser. Start using cleanser at least morning and evening. Cleanser, why cleanser? Because that goes in the third layer of your skin and cleans your skin properly. Because if you don't cleanser, then other things only clean your upper layer of your skin, the first layer of epidermis. But the cleanser goes inside in your third layer, and that cleans properly. Because of that, you have to always use cleanser, and 2 to 3 times. If you have a oily skin, then 3 times. If you have a normal skin, then 2 times. We have to use morning and night. That's compulsory. And second thing is toner. In toner, what happens? When you use cleanser, that opens your pores big, and that goes inside. To that resize that pores, we need always use toner. If you are using cleanser, then always use toner with that. That toner resize your pores. And of course, moisturizer. If you are using cleanser, toner, that moisturizer is the most. And with SPF, if you are going out, if you are at home only, then also need. Some people tell me, I am not going out, why I use SPF? But we are working in front of laptops, we are working mobiles, and the light at our home all produces the rays. Because of that, if we are at home, we need SPF also, sun protection. That is not only for sun protection, that is for all light protection. And with that, I also want to tell, if you are using cleanser, toner, to always check that is non-comedogenic. What is non-comedogenic? That doesn't clog your pores. You think about, if I closed your nose, what happened? You can't breathe. Same thing, if you are not using non-comedogenic products, and that products that closed your pores, then your skin can't breathe. और जब skin breathe नहीं कर पाएगा तो क्या होगा? Problems started. So always use non-comedogenic products. Even makeup products also, that should be non-comedogenic. That doesn't clog your pores. so that your skin breathes properly. And then second thing is allergy tested, because the people who has oily skin, very sensitive, so always check that that product should be allergy tested and dermatologically tested. Why? Because most of the products जो हैं वो animal tested होते हैं, so the product should be human body tested. जो नॉर्मल रेंज के प्रोडक्ट्स आते हैं जो दैट प्रीमियम ब्रांड्स दैट आर नॉट human body tested, that are not dermatologically tested. So if you are using the makeup products, if you are using the cleanser toner, so always that is dermatologically tested. And if possible, start using scrub that remove your dead skin, because we are going out and they are not taking care of skin. Scrubbing is very, very important for them who has oily skin. So use that scrub and mask. If you are using a scrub, then mask is very important. After that you have to use mask that is oil free, and the product should be gel based, because you have oily skin, so you don't want more oil. That should be gel based. So this is the external. What about internal? Because most of the people who has acne, pimples, they are thus just going to the treatment, that external treatment, that doesn't work properly. If you want permanent solution, then you have to check the internal treatment, internal solutions also. What is that? What helps you in acne problems? The first is vitamin C. We all know that vitamin C is strong antioxidants, and that is very, very good for your skins. And for cell regeneration, we need vitamin C. So if you have a pimples, add more and more vitamin C in your food. That is very, very important. We need 800 gram vitamin C every day. But you have a pimples, you need more. So calculate your vitamin C and add more and more. That will help you. And the second thing is omega-3. That is anti-inflammatory effects, because inflammation happens in our skin, redness, swelling, all things on inflammation. For that, omega-3 helps a lot. So start taking omega-3 also. And then next is, because if you want to remove the scars also, then vitamin B is very, very useful for remove the scars. When you go for dermatology, what they did, they give inject that vitamin C and vitamin B also. So if you start taking in foods, then that will help you. And start taking care of your skin also. And other micro minerals like calcium also help. Calcium and biotin. Biotin I mentioned so many times, that is the very, very good for your skin, hair. That is called Amrit for our skin and hair. So biotin will help you if you have a pimples. And if but first check what is the problem. External and internal solution both are important if you have a pimples. And of course, who don't have pimples, who have an oily skin, please take care about that. ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको पिंपल्स नहीं है तो, because basic skin care is important for everyone, especially who has oily skin. You maybe get so many problems. So before problem comes, please start taking care. So make yourself a priority once in a while. It is not selfish, it is necessary. Beautiful skin required commitment. So start taking care of your skin. And with this, I am done. If you have any question, if you want to know more about the oily skin, the acne, pimples skin, how to do the skin care, what is your skin, if you don't know what is your skin type, I will help. And what products you have to use, how to use, when to use, everything I will tell you. With this I am done. So hope this will add value to you. It will help you. And thank you so much. In next session, I will definitely tell you why daily skincare is important, because so many people think कि I have good skin, why I have to use the daily skincare products and daily skincare, why we need. I will tell you why we need. So in my next session, we'll talk about that. And be safe at your home. Now we are divided into 3 parts: orange zone, red zone, and green zone. But doesn't mean that we are safe. So before going outside, please be careful, especially kids and old age peoples. Avoid going out because we are not totally in green zone. So take care. Bye. Good night.